Shades of Shay.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be dyeing, but we're not dyeing my client's locks blue. So he wanted this teal color. His mom did not want me to lighten his hair, but she wanted me to do a temporary color. And without me lightening his hair, this color will not pop. So I was like, okay, let's do wax. So we did color wax, and this is how it turned out. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. Okay, so for this style, he was getting a retwist. Originally, the style was supposed to be done with his hair colored, like I stated before. But mom did not want me to lighten his hair. She just wanted something temporary, and that just wasn't going to be possible. So I consider his locks to be small. If he is up to date on his maintenance, I can get him in and out in less than 2 hours. At this point, he had gone quite a bit. It had been about over 2 months. Yeah, it had been over 2 months since his last style. So we are going to start with the retwist. As far as the products that I use, I will link them down below. I do use the brand Lock All Day, Lock Every Day. The reason why I'm saying two different names is because literally I have bought jars that have two different names on them. Okay, so here I have the brand that I use. Both of these did come from Amazon. One is the color blue and the other one is silver. It's not gray. It's stated as silver. And so for the teal color that he wanted, if I could find a picture, I would definitely include it. But it wasn't like a normal teal. It was a gray teal. So the base of it, I made it more blue, and I threw in the silver gray to give it that tint that he wanted. He is into anime, so that's why he wanted this color. So for the wax, I have a little baggie. I have already tried to mix them at home because I wanted to see how these colors would mesh together, if they were even able to mix. Now when it comes to this wax, it is very easy to use. If you mess up, it's easy to wash out. Matter of fact, when you wash it out, it kind of turns your hair like, it kind of lathers up like a shampoo or something. So I mixed the two colors together inside my mixing bowl with a wooden spatula. You guys might refer to this as a popsicle stick. I could have used a tinting brush, but I didn't want to because I just felt like it was unnecessary. So after I mixed these colors together, I compared it to the color that I had previous to coming to the shop. It matched up pretty well, and I just played with the colors to get it to what I thought was as close to the color as possible. So if you guys are not mixing colors, you literally can just use this wax outside of the jar. Nothing hard to do. I literally just mixed it together and then applied it. So here I am showing you guys the color. Now, when applying this wax, it is best, as the instructions say, and I definitely agree with them, it is best to do it on damp hair. So my client, he had just had a fresh shampoo. I gave him one, gave him a retwist, and then I started applying the wax. Now, his hair was not fully dry, but as I start to get to the front, it is beginning to dry. It's more dry than the back because at this point it has been like over an hour. So I did mix his hair with water, and I applied the wax to the tips of his hair. So when applying it to locks, you want to make sure you have a generous amount and that you are massaging it into the locks. Like I say, this is washable. This is not permanent. This will come out of your locks. So I applied a generous amount onto my gloves to apply to his locks. I massaged it in, and on some of the locks you can see me like rotating them to the right. When I do his retwist, I definitely twist to the right. So I did the same, and with that motion I was able to get it in there good. So after applying this, I did put him under the dryer, and you guys are going to see how much of this stuff that I actually used. So I have applied it. This is what I have left. It's a lot, and guys, this stuff is thick, so I'm going to take the remainder of this and put it back into the container. This will be his container only for him. I think I'm just letting him take it home. But I mixed the colors together. He's currently on the dryer. We're gonna see what it looks like when he come from under there. Okay?
People, you recorded on both devices?
Yeah.
She taking the clips out. I'm gonna get some again. Stuff it in my pot. Ain't nobody. She ain't even gonna notice.
How am I not gonna notice?
I'm talking about my mama.
Oh.
She's gonna be chilling in there.
You told her you ready?
Yeah, I told her she can pull up.
Alright, y'all, and there you have it. This is the final product. This is the final look. He loved his hair. His mom, not so much. She actually said she hated it. But what I loved about this whole process was this was not a permanent decision. This is definitely temporary. This is literally just hair wax that is onto his locks. And I'm glad that I chose this route versus actually processing and dyeing his hair, because mom did not like this. But as you can see, y'all, he is feeling himself. So comment down below if you have any questions, and let's get it. Thank you guys for watching, and please follow me on all social media platforms at Shades of Shay _ at the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. I am here to help you guys, and you guys talk to me. Don't be scared. Bye.